Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
My fans onto TV, it's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 0, Pyramid 0. Don't forget to subscribe, become a member. I'm joined by Frank the Beekeeper.
Eshenkap. Ya into engifuna ukisho nje mabhakaneya. Namanje ngisasho ngisathi shilo sakusaseka. Ningawari i-draw bafethu kube bekudraw ka-1-1. Yeah, it be dangerous le. But i-draw ka-not for me ayisenkingi. Yeah, si Orlando Pirates nje namfethu singamabhakaneya and sixobana kakhulu lapha egroundini lakho. Yeah, so far so good. Into engayisho nje i-not draw akusinto enzima. So first score lapha ya.
3 goals Martin Robile.
Ama-chest pain now. And i-VAR ngiyayithanda. Yeah, i-VAR ngiyayithanda. Yabona ushayile kumsebenzi namhla. I-VAR. Hayi siyacela mfethu nowezesport la ko-PSL. Ayibe khona mfethu. Yeah, sayithanda i-VAR. Yeah, and nalela siyakhona uze liwatshele lamake ukuthi izobe ikhona. Understand? Siyibhakaniya mfethu.
What's the message to Sipo Chain?
Usipotshayile bafethu. Ningalokhu bafethu siyekela ukukhomba abadlali. You understand? Hayi khona ayikho into akayenzile uChayini. Bafethu kuwina masuwina as a team, must draw as a team. Must as a team. Lento yokukhomba wekazana. Mayiphele leyo nto bafethu. You understand?
Okay.
Yeah. You know mamela kabi. Be careful yakuseyiligi. That's number 1. Yeah. And istage esikuso baba. Akudalo lesi stage esikuso. You understand? Akudalo la ku tough la. You understand? Ku rough mase kunje. Yamthola. Yeah, so akunabantu abazokubekhala bethu ubani. Mabhakani yami bafethu. Sidlale kahle. Let's congratulate. Asibongene okuncane, sibongene okukhulu. You understand? No. Asikhomba badlali. Into esisho bafethu. Badlali bethu. Well done. The man of the match is Ngvala.
Too much.
VAR.
Thank you.